We're here today at Mr. C Residence. It's a very beautiful residence located in a very nice, prominent location in Jumeirah. And what we're doing here today is we are replacing the outdoor decks completely. What you can see over here is the old decks, which the client said they wanted to completely, change. So what we're going to do here is the removal of the decking, and we're going to reinstall new decks. And let me just show you the process of how we go about it. So here's a quick demonstration of how quickly they can install this product. You can see the clips going on the side groove of the plank. Very, very easy. Everything's aligned. The joists are here. Then you just make sure it's fitted in perfectly inside these grooves. And when that's done, no noise, no drills. As easy as that. He just clips it to the side. Here you can see a guy's in action. As you can see, we have like an aluminium joist, and we have a deck over here. And the challenge over here is to make sure that the decking is aligned with the threshold over here, because there cannot be any differences in level. So that's something very important. And also when the cutting precision is something also that's very important. As you can see, can you see this piece over here? It's been shaved very precisely to fit in this corner, as you see over here, so that it fits perfectly. Where you can see the aluminium tracks over there. So he's trying to get the exact measurement to make sure it fits in perfectly. And we have another installer over there who's making sure that the decking is properly intact with the aluminium joist, because the substructure is very important for the decking to be intact for a long period of time. Let me tell you something very cool about this decking system. So if you just walk on top of it, you won't see the substructure. It's got an invisible profile, so it's aesthetically very pleasing. Why don't you show them how it looks? Another beautiful thing is that we don't use screws, given where you can hear all the drilling and screwing in this construction area. Our rectification is going to be quite smooth, given that we are using these clips that go in between the deck, and it's with this system that makes it super easy to remove, and it's also easily removable as well. So in this area, we were asked to do it in phases, because there's about 4 different quadrants, and they needed this to be done within 2 weeks because it's an ongoing residence. People are moving in, so they don't want too much of work. And this is the first phase, which is completed. And over here you can see that this is the old area, and this is the first phase we have completed. So we're going to be doing it in 4 different phases with the removal and installation. Just to give you a final glimpse of how the material is going to look when it's installed, I'm just going to quickly take off this protection, and here you are. Beautiful, seamless, a specific color the client was looking for. Am I going to get in trouble for removing the protection?